This is a simple tutorial on how to start up the generator. First, let's take a look at the generator. It has two control panels, one an upper and a lower control panel. Take caution of the side that has the exhaust and make sure that it vents to the outside. Started. First, we'll need to open the gas cap vent located on the top of the generator. Second, open the fuel line. Locate the choke lever and extend it fully. Locate the engine on-off switch and set it to on. Pull on the starter cord quickly until you hear the motors trying to start. It may run rough and or shut off. At this point, push in the choke fully and try again on the starter cord. At this point, the engine should start up. On the panel, a green light will flash on and off until it is ready. When ready, the green light will remain on and the unit is ready for service. You can now plug in to the generator. Once plugged in, locate the breaker switch on the lower panel and turn it on. There is an econ switch located on the top panel. This function allows the generator to regulate the speed it needs to run for what it's powering, or it will run at full speed no matter what it's powering. It is suggested leaving it on econ mode to conserve on fuel. Shutting down will be the opposite of starting, however, minus a few steps. Shut off breaker at lower panel. Close the fuel line switch. At this point, you could let it run until it ran out of fuel, or you could just turn off the engine switch. Once off, close the fuel vent on the top of the generator. Let the generator cool down before moving and starting.